Hey everyone, welcome to Next, the podcast where we break down big ideas into simple, actionable steps. I'm Kyle Cormier, and today we're diving into building your environment for success. Whether you're just starting out on your journey or looking to level up, this episode is for you, so let's get started. First off, what do we mean by environment? Your environment includes everything around you, your physical space, the people you interact with, and even your digital space. Creating a supportive environment can make a huge difference in achieving your goals. So let's break it down step by step. Step one is to declutter your physical space. Our first step is to declutter our physical space. It's hard to focus and stay motivated when you're surrounded by chaos. One way to get started is to start small. Pick one area like a desk or a corner of your room. Tackling an entire room can be overwhelming, so start with a small, manageable area. Make it easier to build momentum. Set a timer. Spend just 15 minutes sorting through items. You'd be surprised how much you can accomplish with a short burst of focused effort. Just make 3 piles: items to keep, items to donate, and items to throw away. Be honest with yourself about why you really need certain things and what you really need and use. Decluttering isn't just about tidiness, it's about creating a space that energizes and inspires you. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind. Here are some quick additional tips. Daily maintenance: spend a few minutes each day tidying up. This prevents clutter from accumulating and keeps your space consistently organized. Use storage solutions. Buy some bins, shelves, and drawers to keep your space nice and tidy. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Ask yourself if each item adds value to your life, and if not, it's time to let it go. Let's dive a little bit deeper into why this is so important. Clutter has a way of sapping your energy and distracting us. When our space is cluttered, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and stressed, but when you clear away the unnecessary items, you create a space that's calming and conducive to focus. Think of it as creating a blank canvas where you can paint your vision of success. By regularly decluttering, you also develop a habit of making conscious decisions about what you bring into your space, and this can lead to a more mindful living overall. The next step is to implement time blocking techniques. Time blocking can help you manage your day more efficiently by assigning specific tasks to specific times. This is how we will get started. Identifying tasks. Just list all the tasks that you need to complete daily and weekly, and allocate specific time slots for each task or group of tasks. For example, you might want to block off 9 to noon for deep work and 1 to 2 for meetings. Stick to this schedule. Follow your time blocks as closely as possible, because when you're in a deep work mode, it's really easy to get distracted when you have a meeting right in the middle. You get out of the flow and it completely ruins your whole morning. Like for me, I set up 4 a.m. to about 10:30 for deep work always. I have no meetings until 10:30, and this allows me to just work and get stuff done, and I move the big projects much farther along. And just try and stick to this as much as possible. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into this. Include buffer times between tasks to account for overruns or short breaks. Regularly review your time blocks to see what's working and what's not. Adjust as needed to improve efficiency. Dedicate blocks of time to focus on just like I had just mentioned. Just make a time to do the deep work. It's very important. By using time blocking, you can create a structured schedule that enhances productivity and ensures you are dedicating sufficient time to your most important tasks. This method can also help reduce procrastination and improve your focus. Now, step 3, let's talk about managing your time effectively. Time management is crucial for maintaining productivity and reducing stress. This is how I suggest you do it. Identify your most important tasks and focus on completing them first. The way that I look at this is what tasks make you the most money and further your education the most. So write all the tasks you have down. sort them by which one makes you the most money to least, or which one gets you, like which one you learn the most from, depending on what season of life you're in. Set deadlines. Assign realistic deadlines to your tasks to create a sense of urgency and keep yourself on track. Keep a planner or calendar to categorize your tasks and deadlines to help them stay organized and ensure that you don't forget important commitments. One thing I'll suggest about this is I am terrible about paper planners. I cannot, I don't keep it on me. So what I use is I have an iPad. Oops. And I use OneNote, and I use the Apple Pencil, and I write all my daily plans, all my notes, all my to-do lists in there. And that way, I also can open OneNote on my phone and have everything right there. It has worked a lot better for me. Now let's dive a little bit deeper into effective time management. It involves planning and prioritization. Here are a few more strategies. Break tasks into smaller steps. So just divide large tasks into smaller, manageable steps to make them less overwhelming. Try and avoid multitasking if you can. Focus on one task at a time to improve the quality of your work and reduce errors. You can take, if this is something that you need, it's not something that I particularly like, but schedule regular breaks to rest and recharge. They can help you maintain your energy throughout the day. I personally don't really do this, but I know it helps a lot of people. I prefer to just stay in something and get it done. Managing your time effectively is all about making the most of your time. Prioritizing your tasks, setting deadlines, and staying organized, you can accomplish more and reduce the stress that comes with feeling overwhelmed. Now let's talk about step 4, developing a focused work strategy. Being intentional about how you approach your work can enhance your productivity and effectiveness. This is how you should start. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in each work session. Clear goals provide direction and purpose. Eliminate distractions. Identify and minimize potential distractions in your work environment to maintain focus. This is the biggest one right here. I put this over here, so I can't even see it when I'm working. I just didn't have it there right now because I forgot, and I haven't been using it at all. But yeah, you want to eliminate as many distractions as possible. You can try using the Pomodoro technique. This works for a lot of people that I know very well. So you basically work in short, focused intervals, typically 25 to 45 minutes, and then you follow by a brief break, like 5 or 10 minutes, depending on what you need. This helps maintain concentration and prevent you from burning out. A little deeper dive into this, a focused work strategy helps you work more efficiently. You can try creating a to-do list. I do this as well on that iPad like I showed you guys. List the tasks you need to accomplish each day, prioritize them, and check them off as you complete them. You can prioritize them just like we had talked about before. Which one makes you the most money? Which one you learn the most from, down to the least. Batch similar tasks. So group any similar tasks together to streamline your workflow and reduce context switching. And regularly review your work strategy and make adjustments based on what works best for you. And developing a focused work strategy ensures that you make the most of your work time by setting clear goals, minimizing distractions, and using effective techniques. You can enhance your productivity and achieve your objectives much more efficiently. Now let's go on to step 5, developing healthy habits. Good health is the foundation to success. Sorry, guys, just give me one moment here. We're actually going to skip that one because all my notes got deleted. We'll come back to it in a few minutes. We're going to go to fostering a growth mindset. Step 7 is to foster a growth mindset. Or step 6, sorry. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Here's how I suggest you cultivate it. Embracing challenges. View challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than obstacles to overcome. And learn from criticism. Use feedback and criticism as a tool for improvement, not as a personal attack. And instead of celebrating the outcome, celebrate the effort. Focus on the effort you put in rather than the outcome. Recognize and celebrate the hard work and progress. I'm slowly trying to shift my mindset to not even have the goal as the outcome. And I've learned this a lot from Alex Hermosi. His goal right now, and I think that this is absolutely amazing, is to make the goal the work. Like, but at the end of the day, have your goal to be that could I have tried any harder? And I think that makes a big difference. And we can dive a little deeper into this, and how it can transform how you approach goals and challenges. Continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning. Take courses, read books, and stay curious. This is my biggest thing in life, is just always keeping learning at the top of my priorities. And to build resilience by learning to bounce back from setbacks, understand that failure is a part of the learning process. Failures are wins, just in a different way, because you learn so much from your failures. And I know it sounds cliche, but it really is true. Fostering a growth mindset encourages you to view challenges as opportunities for growth. It helps you stay motivated and persistent, even when things get tough. By embracing a growth mindset, you can overcome obstacles more effectively and achieve greater success. Next, let's talk about optimizing your health, because this really is the foundation for any success in any way. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, your physical and mental health directly impact your productivity and success. Here's some quick tips. I mean, this is nothing new here. Regular physical activity boosts your energy levels and improves your mood. Like just this past weekend, I was feeling terrible, and I went to the gym, worked out, and was feeling much better. Eating healthy, a balanced diet provides the energy and nutrients your body needs. Avoid excessive junk food, focus on nutritious foods, and get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Proper rest is crucial for cognitive function and overall well-being. Now let's talk about the next step, building a supportive network. The people around you can greatly influence your mindset and success. So let's talk about how to create the group for success. Seek mentors. Find mentors who have achieved what you aspire to. Learn from their experience and guidance, and use their experience to fast track your success. Join communities. Become a part of communities related to your interest or goals. They can provide support, motivation, and valuable insights. I'm going to use that as a quick little dive into my community that I have for this specific purpose. And we have a free community made for people just like you. And just so you guys know, all episodes are available on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. So listen on whatever is most convenient to you. We also have a free community called NextFree on school.com. The link is in my bio. It's a completely free community where all we do is provide value and try to help you. There's going to be a ton of people trying to do the exact same thing as you guys, where you can talk. There's going to be courses in there, all kinds of different stuff. And please share this podcast with any of your friends who you think will find it valuable. We don't run any ads or do any advertising for this. It's all by word of mouth. So please share it with someone, and I hope you are enjoying the show. But yeah, so join communities related to your interests. They can provide support, motivation, and valuable insights. Again, school.com has a lot of stuff, different communities. Even if you don't join mine, there's a bunch of free ones for what you're looking for. Cultivate relationships. Build and maintain positive relationships with friends, family, and colleagues who support and encourage you. People that are always pulling you down and telling you to stop working so hard, those are not the people you want around you. Trust me. A supportive network can help provide encouragement, feedback, and accountability. Try networking, attend events, workshops, and conferences to meet like-minded individuals and expand your network. a lot of people don't know what courses to go to and what seminars to join. I I love Grant Cardone. You can check him out if you want. There are a bunch of other people that are really great. But yeah, just do your own research and try and find some events and workshops to meet people that have the same mindset as you. Offer support to others in your network. Build strong reciprocal relationships that can enhance your personal and professional growth. Reciprocity is the foundation of a lot of influence techniques. So if you offer support to others, not only will it help you feel better about yourself, it'll also make them more likely to want to help you in return. Regularly check in with your network to maintain and strengthen your connections with people. This is really important too. Building a supportive network is about surrounding yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. A strong network can provide guidance, encouragement, and opportunities. By investing in your relationships, you create a solid support system that can help you navigate challenges and achieve your goals. And there you have it. Eight steps to provide your environment for success. Remember, it's all about creating a space that supports your goals and keeps you motivated. Start small, make gradual changes, and you'll see a big difference over time. Sorry about that one step that we weren't able to get to today. I'll make sure to include that in tomorrow's episode. We'll actually just make tomorrow's episode all about habits. Thank you for tuning in to Next. If you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend and leave us a review. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep building your path to success. Until next time, I'm Kyle Cormier, and this has been Next.